Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you so how to fix problem TikTok not working on your iPad, so how you could also fix that. So first thing, just check your Wi-Fi. So just try to turn it off and turn on again. If that doesn't work, just try to close your app from multitasking and just turn it on again. So also you could try to restore your iPad, so just keep holding power button until you will see power off. So also, after you could try to update your iPad, so just go to the general, just open software update and just check the latest updates for your iPad. So also you could try to install the latest updates for your application. So just open App Store, just right here TikTok, and just try to install the latest updates for your TikTok app. And here you will see TikTok. So just tap on update. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.